How to clear Instagram search history. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to clear Instagram search history. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if your Instagram app is still not updated, simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And then make sure to click on the the update button if it shows. And then once you have updated your Instagram app, you just simply open it. And then once you have opened your Instagram app, there are actually two ways to clear the search history. So the first one is the easier one. So you just simply go to your search and then click on search on the topmost part and make sure to click on see all on the recent. So click on see all and then click on clear all found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then this will clear all of your search histories. And then the longer one is you go to your profile on the lower right corner of the screen and then go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and then go to settings and search for search history or recent searches. So click on it and then you may be able to see the same section like before. So again, click on clear all or you may individually delete a search by clicking on this X button on the rightmost part of the account that you have searched. So that's it. That's how you can clear Instagram search history. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.